Good morning, students. Now let us proceed the chapter number 20, disaster management. Yesterday already we have discussed about the flood, what to do and what not to do during this flood. Now today we are going to discuss about the cyclone, जिसको वो हिंदी में बोलते हैं चक्रवात तूफान. Due to atmospheric disturbances, a severe storm strikes suddenly. These storms are known as cyclone in Indian subcontinent, hurricane and tornado in USA, as typhoon along the coast of China and Japan. These severe atmospheric storms are created due to unequal atmospheric pressure. कहीं पे प्रेशर ज़्यादा हो जाता है, कहीं पे प्रेशर कम हो जाता है. You know that this air flows from high pressure to low pressure. So because of unequal atmospheric pressure, these cyclones occur. Such storms or cyclones create devastation over the area over which they pass. बहुत सारी बर्बादी हो जाती है. Its devastating effects are felt along the coast of eastern India and Kutch in Saurashtra. Now during this cyclone, what to do and what not to do, what precaution we should be take. Keep viewing the news bulletins on TV, radio to know the anticipated time of the oncoming storm. उसकी पहले आगाही की जाती है, उसको टीवी रेडियो पे सुनते रहने का, देखते रहने का कि कब उसका टाइम है, राइट. Those who have a radio should keep an extra battery ready. ऐसा ना हो बीच में बैटरी खत्म हो जाए. Mobile phone should be kept fully charged in advance. If you have a power bank instrument, it should be also be charged fully in advance. Listen carefully to the instructions, warnings, broadcast over radio and implement them. Stay away from rumors. हमें अफवाहों से दूर रहना है. लोग गलत गलत बातें फैलाते हैं, उनसे दूर रहना है. Store additional food, dry breakfast and drinking water as per need. Keep provision of food and medicines necessary for children and old people. If the rescue team tells you to vacate your home, cooperate with them. अगर हमें रेस्क्यू टीम बोलता है कि आपका मकान जगह खाली कर दो तो हमें उनको कोऑपरेट करना है. यूज प्योर एंड सेफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. इफ यू हैव टेकन शेल्टर इन शेल्टर होम created by the government or any NGO, then follow their instructions and do not leave the premises without their instructions. Do not keep your domesticated animals tied up to their post. उनको बांध के नहीं रखना है जानवरों को. If they are free, they can defend themselves and a better way. इधर उधर भाग के अपनी जान बचा सकते हैं. Now what not to do? हमें क्या नहीं करना है during the cyclone? Do not pay any attention to gossips or rumors. इधर उधर की फालतू बकवास में और अफवाह में हमें ध्यान देना नहीं है. Except for the instruction issued by weather department on radio. If the atmosphere calms down suddenly, rain stops, wind becomes standstill, even then do not go in open area. Wind or rainfall may strike suddenly. Do not touch electric poles or loose wires. Stay away from them क्योंकि करंट आ सकता है, शॉक लग सकता है. Do not take shelter near bigger hoardings or large trees. कभी भी वो hoardings जो बड़े बड़े साइन बोर्ड होते हैं, hoardings एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए, और बड़े ट्रीज के आगे या पोल्स के आगे हमें खड़ा रहना नहीं है क्योंकि कभी भी तूफान आए तो हमारे ऊपर गिर सकते हैं. So these precaution if you take and in advance, then we can save our life. Okay.